I had to stop what I was doing to share with you guys. That way you can do this tip too and catch you more fish this fall. As you see, there's a red hook on that Whopper Plopper. I do this with many of my lures, but the Whopper Plopper specifically, I love it. This gives the bass something to target when they come up and hit the bait. Your hookup ratio is gonna go up and you're gonna catch more fish in return. Let's get back out on the water, talk tactics. This time of year, guys, you cannot go wrong with topwater, smallmouth and largemouth. Days are getting shorter, temperatures are dropping, and they know winter's coming, so they're gonna have to put on the feed bags and fatten up. Nice. Right on that red hook. That's a pretty fish. The castability is awesome on the Whopper Plopper because it's so heavy. At the same time, you got to make sure when you're hooked up to these bass, you reel them in, horse them in, get them landed, because all that weight tossing around, they're gonna throw your hook. Small one, but red hook. He literally got all three trebles in his face. I'll explore over here a little bit. Ooh, that looks like a good little eddy right there. We have current funneling in here. This is an eddy. This is what I'm talking about when I say slack water, eddy, this right here. See how it's a little whirlpool going on? Bait's gonna hang out right in there. Out here, they've got the funnel, a little ripple here. There's a slight slack water spot here. And I don't know if you guys can see that V right here where I just casted, but these are all places you want to check. A couple casts and we'll move on. Is that a joke? My dude over here is trying to fish. We got someone shooting off just rounds. Gotta love it. Oh, that's too funny. There's so much bait in this little pocket, which is why the bass are hanging out right outside of current in these deep pockets. They want to pin this bait up and they're gonna feed on it all fall. They gotta get fat before the winter hits. Think about that. I don't know about you guys, but gunshots are my cue to leave. Got another little guy. This one's probably a 12-incher. He yells him. That had to be a 12 front hook, the red hook, guys. Thank you, sir. That looks like shallow water. Unlock, lift, and sit. Okay, so this is gonna pull us over here. We're just gonna go with the flow. What we don't wanna do is go into that tree. That's what we don't wanna do. Oh shoot. Let's get these bad boys back in. Little guy, we don't want them. But they want us, don't they? They're just not gonna leave us alone. Look at him. What are you thinking, guy? What are you thinking? Look, he just Finding Nemo'd it, hit it with a side fin. Chill. Trust me. I'm trying to help you. Just don't let the big guys know. Oh my gosh, no. No, you dummy. Not the braid. Braid's the worst. Man, I mean, they're ferocious little guys. Small as can be. Red hook. Keep on looking for the big ones. What's nice is normally I fish with the current, but I'm using this Whopper Plopper against the current because I'm able to make a lot of noise without moving too much. I'm letting the current do the work. Oh no. We're not looking for the squirrel fish. Well, up close and personal on that one, yeah. Let's try to get out of this tree. I'm a mess. I mean, honestly, the GoPro strapped on your head looking like a goober, saying words like goober. Smallmouth, largemouth, they're gonna be relating to hardcover. So laydowns, rock piles, you name it. Give it a little pause when you get around those areas. Oh, I was looking ahead. Look at that. Let's go, baby. Come on. You're coming with me. Another good one, guys. I just threw that thing back there. We're trying our best to get back to the destination of where we're getting picked up at before the sun goes down, because it's gonna get in the 50s and we're both wet from waiting. Yeah, I tossed that guy back there. I heard a splash, looked back, and then all of a sudden he started jumping. As you see, I'm in a new outfit. I just finished another video for you guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Thanks again. Catch you next time.